When I heard the news today, I had to come and get it straight from you. To say you were leaving, someone swept your heart away. And from the look upon your face, I see the truth. So tell me all about it, tell me how you plan to make it. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you?